Parabolic SAR. Based on this indicator, I want to show you a very simple but genuinely useful strategy. If you've never worked with it, don't worry, it's one of the easiest indicators to understand, and here's why. Once you add the Parabolic SAR to your chart, you'll see small dots appearing either above the price or below it, and the logic is super simple. Dots below the price mean an upward signal, dots above the price mean a downward signal. Here are my settings, just the standard parameters. I almost never change them because the default version works very consistently for short-term trades. Now, let's get into the actual strategy. Look, for example, when you see several dots in a row forming under the price, usually 3 or more, that's a sign the market is turning upward. That's when I enter a buy trade. It means the trend has started pulling upward, and it makes sense to catch the move, even for a short period. I also recommend checking confirmations on becoinnet before entering the trade. Now we enter confidently, and the trade closes in profit. The same logic works in the opposite direction. If the dots start appearing above the candles, one after another, that's a signal the market is turning downward. In that case, I enter a sell trade. The Parabolic SAR always lags a little, but that's actually its advantage. It doesn't try to predict the future, it simply shows the trend reversal that has already begun, and that's often enough for short binary trades. But there's one important thing I highly recommend. Don't jump into a trade on the very first dot. Wait for at least 2 or 3 in a row. This helps filter out random price spikes. One single dot can easily be noise, not a real trend shift. Another tip, always pay attention to market context. For example, if the price is stuck in a flat range, moving sideways, the SAR can jump from top to bottom very often. That's why it works best when the market has at least some movement or a visible trend. And the best part, you can easily combine the Parabolic SAR with other indicators like EMA or RSI. That boosts your entry accuracy even more. But honestly, even on its own, it performs really well, especially for quick short-term trades. Try testing this strategy on a demo and scroll through some chart history. You'll see how easy these signals are to read.